Welcome to our video on everything you need to know about chiropractic care. Chiropractic is a healthcare profession that focuses on the diagnosis, treatment, and prevention of musculoskeletal disorders. This form of care uses a hands-on approach to adjust and manipulate the spine and other joints in the body. So, what are the benefits of chiropractic care? Many studies have shown that chiropractic care can help relieve pain, improve flexibility, and increase energy levels. It can also improve overall physical function and mobility, which can be especially beneficial for athletes. Chiropractors use a variety of techniques to adjust the spine and other joints in the body. Some of the most common techniques include spinal manipulation, mobilization, and flexion distraction. These techniques are safe and effective and can help relieve pain and improve function. Chiropractic care can be used to treat a wide range of conditions including back pain, neck pain, headaches, and sciatica. It can also be used to treat injuries such as whiplash and sports injuries. Chiropractic care is safe and effective for patients of all ages. In conclusion, chiropractic care is a safe and effective form of healthcare that can help relieve pain, improve function, and enhance overall well-being. If you're considering chiropractic care, be sure to consult with a licensed chiropractor who can provide you with the care you need.